Hi guys, today we're going to this is Miss Napolitano, and today we're going to talk more about points on the coordinate plane. And we're going to do something a little bit different. We're going to look at a table and take the information from the table and then graph that onto the coordinate plane. So this is a table. It has all the little rectangles inside. And you see in the columns it's point, then the x, and then the y. So x and y are just like the x and y in our coordinate points. So that's what we're going to use to plot these points on this table. Okay? So let's look at point M. Point M, the x is 1. So we're going to move over one space. That's the 1. The y is 4. So we're going to go from R1, we're going to go up 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And put our point there. That is point M. So we're going to put an M next to that point. Okay? And below we're going to write the ordered pair for M. So we know what the x is 1. So we're going to put a parentheses, 1. And the y is 4. Okay? For n, we're going to do the same thing. On n. So the x is 5. So we're going to move on the y-axis over 5 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then the y is 2. So we're going to move up 2 units on the y-axis and mark our point right there. This is n. So the n ordered pair would be 5, because we went over 5, and 2. I want to look at another question that's similar to this, except it has the points. And now we're going to fill in the table. Okay, so let's look at the points. We have A, B, C, D, E, F. And we see A, B, and C over here. So what we want to do is put the coordinate points for A, B, and C into our table. And we see that there's the X row and the Y row. Okay, so let's look at A. The ordered pair for A is, how many over did we go on the x-axis? That's going to be our first number. And we didn't go over any spaces. It's 0. So we're going to put 0 for x. How many spaces did we go up? We went up 1, 2. So A is 0, 2. For B, how many spaces did we go over? We went over 1. So our x is 1. And then to find our y, it's y to the sky. How many units did we go up? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So for that letter B, our ordered pair is 1, 5. Actually, I'll write it right here. And then in our table, we see 1, 5. Same with A, I'll write ours. And then in our table, we see that's 0, 2. Okay, and for letter C, how far over do we go on the x-axis for that one? Well, we go over 1, 2 units. So I put a 2 here. And how far up do we go on the y-axis? Well, we don't go anywhere. We stay right here. So that's going to be a 0. Okay? So our ordered pair for C is 2, 0. Now for D, E, and F, they don't give us the points, so we're going to plot those. All right, so for D, the X is 3 and the Y is 4. So the ordered pair is 3, 4. So we're going to go over 3, 1, 2, 3, and then we're going to go up 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that is D. Letter E is 4, 4. So we're going to go over 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're going to go up 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And we have letter E. Okay, now we're going to do F. F is 5 on the X row and 2 on the Y row. So the ordered pair is 5, 2. So we're going to go over 5. I don't even have to count. I'm just going to look for the number 5 on the x-axis. I see 5 is right here. Then I'm going to go up 2. Look for 2 on the y-axis and put my point right here. That is F. It is 5, 2. So when you have a table, you can use the points of the table sometimes to correspond with your X and Y coordinates for your coordinate points on the coordinate plane. So we know now how to look at a point and write the coordinate into a table. We also know what the coordinate points are, and then we also know how to look at a table and then graph the points based on the information.